Ah, hello and welcome. I am the Awful Chef, and I'm hungry, so let's make some food. Many years ago, I saw a painting. It was titled The Potato Eaters, and it was designed to show the misery of certain families having to eat nothing but potatoes. I want to do a new one. The Tomato Eaters. Family eating bread, tomatoes, cheese, the adults drinking wine, and everybody smiling. Yeah. TDS, Tomato Derangement Syndrome. It's real, and we're going to make dinner out of it tonight. Watch this. So I got a pack of cherry tomatoes cut in half and lightly salted. I got a bunch of bread cut up and thrown in. I got an oven preheating to 375. So I guess you'd call this macaroni, bread, and cheese, Parmesan, with parsley, and a whole lot of garlic. Oh yeah. Yeah, you get some idea there. That's a lot of garlic. Oh, did I mention that? There we go. Six, 8 cloves, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Slice gently. Do not mash them or you will have insect repellent. Oh, the oven's ready. Okay, what else have we got? So, bread, tomatoes, garlic, a lot of Parmesan cheese, and parsley. Fresh parsley cut up, a lot of that. There we go. I know, you won't believe it. If you want to be fancy, you can call it bruschetta casserole. But I guess that would involve basil instead of parsley. As I spill everywhere while attempting to mix, I'm using my smaller glass bowl instead of my big mixing bowl. And it is, producing quite the smell. Oh my heavens. Let's try putting some of this back in. Now, as with macaroni and cheese, of course, this can be a side dish or a main dish. Yes, there at my back in my giant YouTube glamorous kitchen. So, what do we got? We got the juice from the tomatoes in the bottom. And everything's going everywhere. We got olive oil that was mixed with the garlic. I'm actually going to throw some more oil onto this. And this is one heck of a way to make mac and cheese, I'll tell you that much. So I got my fancy pan. I buttered it just for good luck because there is cheese in this dish. Okay, it's about a good fit. Let's get the rest of those tomatoes out of there. And there we have a very nice French style tomato bread gratin, American mac and cheese with tomatoes and garlic and parsley, or Italian bruschetta casserole. And that's got to bake for 40 minutes, which is going to take me forever. why don't we show this to you first, now that I've slightly burned myself. Yeah, that is very pretty. You know what? I think that needs a little more cheese on top. Try not to laugh. Cheese, 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 and cheese. Okay, so what goes with mac and cheese? Well, how about a salad? So what do we got? Ooh, good stuff. So, lettuce these days is just insanely expensive. So let's do an arugula salad. We've done this before on the channel, but it bears repeating because it's just good. Arugula. Rinsed and drained. So you always want to rinse your vegetables, even the stuff that's pre-washed, because there could be anything in there. People are error prone, and so crazy things have been known to happen. So, arugula, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of olive oil. Very, very basic stuff here. You know, because our market's been having a little fun with tomatoes lately. This is what I've got. Chopped up tomatoes. That have already been salted and peppered. Ooh, little tomato juice there. Let's not lose that. And now, a little bit of red wine vinegar, which there we go. Almost couldn't open. My hand's wet from the tomatoes. I hate coming to the end of a container because you always have that temptation to use the last of it, which is just too much. And just for fun, a little bit of Parmesan on top. You can do Gorgonzola, you can do Parmesan, you don't have to do anything. Ta-da! Dinner. That's going to be ready in about 30 minutes. We'll have it with this very nice tomato arugula salad. And that's it. I'm the awful chef, and once again, I'm done cooking dinner. Oh, yum, yum, yum. So, as this is social media, I have to ask you to please subscribe, like, share, And beyond that, I hope you're enjoying these. We have some fun with this food, and it's good, too. So that's it. Thank you. I'm the awful chef. Goodbye.